Alba Botanica, Gardenia Hydrating, Hair Conditioner, 12 fluid ounces, 350 milliliters. Product Overview Description. No damaging sulfates or heavy silicones, no parabens, phthalates or animal testing, 100% vegetarian ingredients, pH balanced, Hain Celestial. Island Silk. For a sleek, smooth style, take a permanent vacation from the harsh sulfates and flattening, heavy silicones and ordinary conditioners. Instead, discover, featuring botanical treats to weightlessly smooth your tresses. Oils protect extract, quinoa protein and light tropical oils protect against humidity for all-day frizz control that gives a sleek, polished look with no oily residue. Destination smooth. Suggested use. Massage through clean, wet hair. Rinse. Other ingredients. Aqua, water, helianthus annuus, sunflower, seed oil, cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, behentrimonium chloride, aleurites, moluccana seed oil, macadamia ternifolia seed oil, simmondsia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil 1, aloe barbadensis leaf juice 1, ananas sativus, pineapple, fruit extract 1, carica papaya, fruit extract 1, chinensis quinoa seed 1, Gardenia Florida fruit extract, ziniberificinol, ginger, root extract 1, alcohol, imidamethicone, citric acid, glycerin, guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, isopropyl alcohol, panthenol, sodium hydroxide, sodium phytate, ethylxylglycerin, phenoxyethanol, potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, amylcinemyl, butylphenylmethylpropionyl, geraniol, hexylcinemyl, hydroxycitronal, hydroxyisohexyl 3-cyclohexene carboxyldehyde, linalool, fragrance, perfume. 1 certified organic ingredient. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of the reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.